Here at the Bayou, we are all about helping people know God, find community, and make a difference.
The programs they have here are phenomenal. They have something for every aspect of the family.
It just taught me to have expectation, to expect that God will move.
It's definitely been impactful.
It wasn't what I was expecting at all.
I absolutely love my small group.
Immediately met amazing people that I know will be lifelong friends.
I needed to find community, and I did.
The people here care. And the friends you make here are friends for life. They become part of your family.
The Bayou always seems to find a way to reach out and make a difference.
They're even going outside of Acadiana and going to all these other places to try to make a difference.
Those things matter.
So here at the Bayou Church, we believe that everyone has a story, that life is better together, that rescued people reach people, and that the best is ahead.